stop.
Portland police are chasing a man with a hunting knife in his hand, and he isn't stopping. 2 neighborhood response team officers came to this block to arrest him over an earlier weapons and menacing case. He breaks away, and the radio starts calling his turns.
Stop doing it! Going north on 17th, now going west on Pettigrew. White shirt, blue jeans, flip-flops. Okay, now he's cutting south on 18. Okay, let's set up some containment. He entered a par lumber. We could get a car to 19 and then one to 18 in Pettigrew. Oh, I see. He cut through. I disregard. He cut through. The part lumber continued to go west. Okay, I still see him running right now on 19 and Overton continue to go west. He just crossed over on 20th to go south. Let's go around because it sounds like he's still running. Okay, you're good to the right. There he is.
Stop! You're under arrest!
I'm just getting gassed out. He's gonna still run. Turn around, turn around. Yeah, just turn around. Here, come on.
Hold on there.
Go. Challenge. Yeah, let's go around. He's still running. Take a right. Let's take it right over here.
The chase reaches a tire repair shop on Northwest 19th, and what happens there isn't on any officer's camera. Lieutenant Brent Maxey, just out of a nearby meeting, in plain clothes, no body camera running, strikes him with his police vehicle. A crash reconstruction team later puts the closing speed at 3 to 5 miles per hour. He falls, gets straight back up, and keeps running.
Oh. Let's get a less lethal here. He's most likely going to try to go back to his apartment unit. It's between Pettigrew and Overton. He's still running north on 19. Going east on Overton from 19. Got it.
He's broken into a business and gone down into its basement storage area. So officers stop chasing and start building a box.
On the south area containing this place. Hey, can we have a drone here? I'm sure there's one coming.
Hey, sir. You go back in your business, shut the door, please.
Sorry, where?
Let's stay here, so if he runs out, he's gonna come this way.
So he's in this yard?
Yes.
Okay. Who's down there?
Yes. Large black knife.
Large.
I need to lock this place down. Okay. Do you have cameras around this property?
No.
Is there any windows I could take a peek at, or?
No. That wall is solid there, from here all the way down.
Okay.
Solid. There's no one that can get out.
Got it. Just lock it up, please.
He doesn't come out. Somewhere in the hours that follow, by the Bureau's account, he destroys a police drone and damages a police robot. Neither moment appears in the released footage. This is the drone, photographed in pieces.
I'm gonna start doing announcements. We got a custody team. Hey, it's for police. You're not free to go. You're under arrest. We have this whole entire place surrounded. If you use that knife or any other weapon, force and including up to deadly force will be used against you. You're under arrest. Come out with your hands up in the air. We have a whole airplane up in the air watching you. It's time to surrender.
The announcements keep coming, and nothing comes back. So the next warnings go out over a patrol car's PA.
Let's see. I'll grab that car. Sir, it's the Port Police. You're under arrest. You need to come with your hands up in the air. Do not use the machete or anything that's including a weapon or force, including up to deadly force abuse against you. You're under arrest. Sir, we know where you're at. You're behind the building. Again, this is the Port Police Bureau. You're under arrest. Come out with your hands up in the air, and I will give you further instructions.
The standoff holds for several hours. By the Bureau's account, an officer tries pepper spray, and the next move is the dog pictured in its
We're
release.
going to fill that thing full of tear gas if you don't come out of there. So do not be pulling back in. We're coming in.
When the dog goes in, the man will beat it with a metal pipe.
Come on out, my friend. Come on out. Do not do that! Do not!
Is he close before I can go?
Yeah, take him. Okay. Dog's on him. Dog's on him. Dog's on him.
Here's the dog.
Here's the dog.
That's fine.
Here's the dog.
Here it is. Push the door open. Push the door.
Hey, stop it!
Less lethal, this guy. You gotta push in. Push in.
Go on the dog. Yes, sir. Go on our dog now. Do it now.
Hey, get on the ground. Get on the ground right now. Don't move. Don't grab the dog, and I'll take him off.
By the Bureau's account, the dog is able to re-engage and keep working.
Why am I being arrested? I'm insane! Tell me why I'm being arrested! I'm not resisting at all.
Thank you. Stop. Let him know that we're going 61.
Please tell me why I'm being arrested. Please tell me why I'm being arrested. Hold on. Please tell me why. I need some water. I'm about to pass it. We'll get that to you, but hold on. You gotta chill, dude. Stop yelling. Tell me why I'm being arrested.
Okay. Don't resist again. Don't fight, or else we're gonna use force. Your dog okay? Oh, he's fine. Okay. Here, let's finish this clear.
No, tell me why now. Tell me why now.
And let's get up there and help him out.
Tell me why now. Back off. Tell me why now. Just grab the legs. I'll probably be easier to pick them up. Ready, buddy? How come you already told me what the charges are? Let's go. No, you didn't! Oh, God damn it. This is embarrassing. Let's get some on the other side. This is a whole police department? Hold on. Wait. I'm so thirsty. Give me water. Please, Jesus Christ. How many is there? 50 people here? Over some alleged missing charges? You can't even tell me when they happened? This is not fair.
A knife is recovered at the scene and seized as evidence. The man is treated for his injuries and booked into jail. Nothing in the record explains why he ran, and on camera, he calls the reason for the arrest, quote, some alleged misdemeanor charges.